Assa Abloy Entrance Systems is a global leader in door opening solutions. Crawford industrial doors and dock levelers are used extensively at DPD sites across the country. This short introductory video will help operators at DPD understand the systems and their use, but is intended for demonstration purposes only. Crawford industrial doors, dock levelers, dock shelters, and loading bay equipment for internal and external use helps DPD provide seamless logistics services. At DPD sites across the country, you will find doors similar to this. Large doors at level access points, called the Crawford Industrial Door or the Crawford OH 1042P. We will now demonstrate how to operate these level access doors following the user's sequence. Before operating, ensure that the power is supplied by turning the isolators to the on position. Disengage the chute bolt as demonstrated here. Your doors are now ready to operate. The control panel will have an up and a down button. Push the up button once. The door will then move to its fully open position automatically. To close the door, press and hold the downward button. Operators must keep their finger on this button until the door is fully closed. To stop the door at any point, remove your finger from the downward button. Press the downward button to resume operation. Pay attention to the door until it is fully closed. Once the door has closed fully, simply re-engage the chute bolt as shown. We will now demonstrate how to change the door from automatic operation into manual mode, which may be useful in the event of a power failure. The first step is to disengage the motor. Pull firmly on the green rope, which is situated next to the door track. Now pull the blue rope and lock it into place. To change the door into manual mode, remove the chain and hoist the door open. The same pull chain is used to both open and close the door. When power is restored, you will need to re-engage the motor in order to resume automatic operation. Using the pull chain, pull the door down until the black step handle can be reached. Return the pull chain to its holder. Moving back to the door track, re-engage the motor by pulling on the red rope. Pull down firmly on the step handle. Then release the blue rope to disengage the manual mode. To complete the motor re-engagement, you must open the door fully by pressing the up button on the control panel. Once fully opened, the door can then be closed and normal operation resumed. If your doors will not work, there are a number of routine checks to make before phoning for assistance. If the door will not respond to the buttons on the control panel, first check that the power is supplied by ensuring that the isolator is in the on position. Check that the chute bolt is disengaged. And if you are re-engaging after a power failure, ensure that the door has been fully opened before attempting to close it. Check that it is not in manual mode by pulling on the chain, and the green and red toggles are in the correct position. If manual mode is still in operation, you will need to re-engage the motor. If these checks fail to resolve the problem, you should call our help desk on 0333 006 3443.